If you have ever tried to learn how to code and gave up, I get it. I gave up too the first time I tried. And that's exactly why I made this. I'm Aga Kadela. I run a solo product studio called Dotty. I build apps, templates and automations all on my own using code and AI. But before I could do any of that, I had to learn one thing: how to build a website from scratch. And honestly, that part was hard. Most tutorials were too long, too technical, or way too abstract. And that's what this course helps you do. You will build your own portfolio website step by step, while learning the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You will learn by building, not by just watching. And what's more, you will understand what you are doing. And even though this channel isn't about tutorials or courses, I put the Coder Woman Challenge here for a reason. Because before I could build tools, launch products, or automate anything, I had to learn one simple thing: build a simple website. And that one site changed everything for me. Once I understood how the web works, I stopped getting stuck. I could build faster, I could use AI tools better, and I could write my own code. Every product I've built started with that foundation. And if you get it right, you can build on it too. And this is where that starts for you. You don't need experience. You don't need to be technical. You just need to start. And this course gives you a way in. Something clear, structured, and finishable. And what's more, it's totally free. You will find here 2 new lessons each week, so you can take your time and actually finish. Start with day 1 when you're ready. This is the Coder Woman Challenge. Let's build something real.